Good Tuesday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with a winter storm video forecast discussion. Say uncle, because we're tired of this. And under clear to partly cloudy skies this morning, we have chilly temperatures. Once again, they're in the single digits. In the Hudson River Valley area into the teens. Out on Long Island, New York City Central Park has temperatures in the low to mid 20s right now. Winds are all light and calm. They're out of the northwest or calm at speeds of less than 5 to 10 miles per hour as high pressure is in control now, but that's all going bye-bye by the next couple of hours. Morning surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and digital atmosphere software shows our high pressure ridge right over the coast of New Jersey here. Here is our system coming in from the west with a warm front, storm system over the upper Midwest, ice and tropic lift, snow, ice, and rain is on the way in the next few hours. Watches, warnings, and advisories, we got a lot of them again. What else is new? We've got winter weather advisories out for the entire forecast region of northern New Jersey and Bucks County, Pennsylvania, as well as also other parts of northern New Jersey here for snow and sleet accumulations up to an inch. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain, and the snow will overspread the area during the afternoon hours. The snow will transition to sleet and freezing rain this evening before changing to rain overnight. Now, further south across interior New Jersey or central New Jersey, the winter weather advisory is for the same thing. We still have up to a tenth of an inch of ice, accumulations less than an inch, and that will cause traveling condition problems later this afternoon and evening as the precipitation begins to transition to freezing rain and then to plain rain over the overnight hours. We have additional watches and warnings for New York City and central Long Island. These are winter weather advisories that were put up this morning for the same kind of thing, accumulations of 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet before everything goes over to rain. This will develop later this evening or later this afternoon and change to freezing rain before changing to freezing rain by midnight and then plain rain right after that. Snow-covered surfaces coated with ice will make traveling difficult, and that is something that we all know very well. Now, we also have small craft advisories, and right now it's saying that we don't have small craft advisories, but we do. We don't have any watches, warnings, or advisories right along the coast. I don't know why these watch boxes are up there, but anyway, high pressure is in control. The wind speeds will be less than 10 knots this morning, becoming southerly this afternoon. The wind expected to be from the south-southwest for tonight. The gusty wind begin to approach 25 knots tonight, and the waves could build to near 5 feet on the ocean. Maybe that's the reason why these boxes are out, but there's no small craft advisories in effect yet, but that will change in time. Wednesday Wednesday night, sub-small craft advisory conditions. Winds will still gust to around 20 knots. A frontal boundary is expected later Wednesday into Wednesday night. Thursday and Thursday night, small craft conditions expected to develop behind the cold front and continue into Thursday night. Friday and Saturday, no advisories at this time. On the aviational weather deck today, we have basically VFR conditions in place, and those conditions are expected through early this afternoon, and then conditions will deteriorate rapidly as snow sleet will build into the region from the west. Anticipating mainly IFR conditions with this occurring this evening. And tonight, the snow and sleet should transition to freezing rain and then rain overnight. A light variable wind this morning expected to settle into the southeast and south this afternoon and evening at about 5 to 10 knots. The wind may shift around to the southwest late tonight. Low-level southwesterly jet expected to develop over the region tonight. As a result, we have included a low-level wind shear advisory. And Wednesday, MVFR and IFR conditions with periods of rain. Wednesday night and Thursday, rain early, changing to a wintry mix, and then snow. Thursday night, improving to VFR during the evening. Friday and Saturday, well, you guessed it, mostly VFR. So at Newark this morning, we're at 23, dew point 9, humidity 53, the wind northwest 7. Broken ceilings at 17,000, 25,000. Visibilities are at 10 miles, and ice pellets and snow build into the forecast region late this afternoon from the southwest, transitioning over to rain, and then light rain early tomorrow morning. So everything goes downhill. Right now we're in VFR, and that's the same thing at Philadelphia, 26, dew point 10, humidity 50%, the wind northwest 7. Scattered clouds 15,000, overcast at 25,000. Snow showers developed during the afternoon hours late this morning, afternoon, mixing with some snow pellets. Snow pellets around the Philadelphia area with freezing rain and snow pellets from late this afternoon through this evening, changing to rain, and then light rain and drizzle late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Morning passive visible satellite imagery this morning already showing the thickening of clouds out to the west, so it's not just going to be a couple of hours here. Already showing on the water vapor channel plenty of lifting here from the southwest to the northwest. southeast to northwest here, and all of this lifting will be moving into the area, spreading the cloud shield and eventually the precipitation shield into our region. Right now the precipitation is beginning to break out across the Ohio Valley and also into Pennsylvania, and this warm isentropic lift will develop over a cold high-pressure dome in place right now, and that's where the ice and snow will begin to develop during this afternoon. NAM 4-kilometer precipitation type and cloud forecast going into the future here. The clouds lower and thicken. Snow scattered around the region breaks out late this afternoon. Ice pellets and freezing rain to the southwest. Everything goes over to a freezing mix here in New Jersey. Rain across the south, and then that moves out. First batch moves out. The cold front comes through, and everything just changes and transitions to rain, with periods of rain around the region during tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon. And that slides to the south and east, and then the front stalls out. Rain redevelops across the region on Wednesday night into Thursday morning and transitions rapidly to snow as the air mass begins to rapidly cool. And this will be accumulating snow from very late Wednesday night into Thursday, making travel conditions and a problem at all the airports, and probably also around the entire forecast region from Philadelphia to the New York corridor and up towards Boston as well on Thursday morning. Now, the National Weather Service has introduced us with the latest snow graphic here. Now, this snow graphic is available up till 7 p.m. on Thursday. So the first batch of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will be about an inch or two for today and tonight into early tomorrow morning before everything goes to rain. Then the additional snow begins to pack into the region Wednesday night into Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon. The total amount of snow and ice from now, 7 p.m., on Wednesday to 7 p.m. on Thursday. This is from tomorrow night into Thursday night. The total amounts of snow here being forecasted between 4 to 6 inches, with a little higher amounts here around Ocean County. GFS Maps into Motion shows the snow and the ice building into the region during this afternoon, changing over to rain across the region with periods of rain tomorrow. And also by tomorrow afternoon, the rain will be sliding to our east as the frontal boundary settles to our south. Precipitation will once again ramp up as the cold air comes in. The rain will transition back to snow, and everybody will see snow as a wave of low pressure along the frontal boundary here in the Carolinas scoots off the southern Delmarva coast here. Everybody goes to snow. The heaviest snow could be in the Baltimore-Washington area, also in the I-95, 295, southeastern New Jersey corridor, but everybody to the north into New York City, the lower Hudson Valley. Obviously, everybody's going to be impacted by the snow, and the snow will be around right through Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. So Thursday doesn't look like it's going to be a good travel day at all. And then high pressure builds in with dry, cold air in place again. As we get into the weekend, another frontal boundary approaches, but it looks dry. This storm system off the mid-Atlantic coast states stays to our south and east. And then we get into a little bit more of a relaxing forecast period with another dry, cold frontal passage coming our way early next week, but most of the precipitation with that stays away too, and then just relatively dry, cold seasonal air for this time of the year. We're not completely out of the woods yet, but the upper air pattern over the next 10 days does show that changes are on the way, and those changes mean milder and more zonal flow to the atmosphere and less troughiness in the eastern United States, although there is going to be some over the next couple of weeks. But we do see improving conditions with less impactual weather as we head into the middle part of the month. So we're going into live storm mode here on Garden State Weather and gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. And of course on Facebook, you know, the drop down for the app. You can see everything live. We'll be recording live from the now right through a Thursday afternoon. For Garden State Weather and gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a safe Tuesday. Be careful out there traveling late this afternoon and overnight tonight.